It's time to hit Osh. I've been waiting for this. Now I can mount the diff. M12 washers, 6 of them. Stack out to about 14.5 millimeter. It's just about the right amount of spacing that you need to install this lower bolt before you lift the diff up, or else you don't get any access for that bolt, because access is actually a problem. So these guys aren't cross bolts, they're M12. Don't know what thread exactly, probably 175, 42 mil. Small issue, threads are kind of gacked. M12 tap down that guy and the other side to clean them out. I don't have an M12 tap.